Hi everyone! Today in cooking project we're going to do sandwich. Let's go.
Ingredients: sandwich bread, Thousand Island dressing, fruit salad dressing, 2 eggs, purple cabbage, salad, margarine, pinch of salt, white pepper.
First of all, we're going to wash these eggs and boil them. Meanwhile, these eggs are boiling. I'm going to prepare the butter egg. Now, I'm going to add some butter on the bread. Oh, here, our eggs are boiling. Now, let's break the egg and remove the shell. I'll wash this egg first. Now, next the eggs. I'd like to add a pinch of salt, some white peppers and some mayonnaise. Now mix together. I will add on some salad in my sandwich. And some purple cabbage. Thousand Island for dressing. Now add the egg we mashed. And end with the bread. Now our sandwich is ready, but I would like to cut this square sandwich into triangle sandwich. Ta-da! Our sandwich is ready. Let's take the breakfast.
Hi guys, our sandwich is ready. This is eating right. We eat carbohydrate, fiber, fat, protein.
So we eat right.
Bye guys.